All right, so I had just posted a video. So this is the second part of that video because I said I will keep an eye on it until 4. If you haven't watched part 1 of that video, part 1 of this, I recommend you do. It's only a 5-minute video. Now remember I said we're expecting a push to 4 p.m. And because our bias to the for gold is to the upside, I talked about entering here, why I entered here, and what was the reason behind it, and the timing to push it, and how it was a tight stop loss trade. And in fact, the first target is already taken out. Now look what's happening here, right? The second trade hour is 4 o'clock, right? In fact, it's 10 past 4, isn't it? It's 4 o'clock. Here we are. All right. So the market had a push into 4 o'clock, and it's right now 9 minutes past 4 my time, right? So 9 minutes past 4, and you can see here, I'm just going to move this into a 5-minute chart. Let's go into a 5-minute chart. Okay, you can see how that, bar came up, and already it's getting a bit of a sell reaction. Why? Because that 4 o'clock, which is 3 on the platform, by the way, okay, 4 p.m. UTC plus 3 my time. The platform is UTC plus 2, and that's why it's 3 o'clock. So as you can see, immediately after that 4 o'clock thing, now you see we've got a bit of a rundown, okay? So the beauty of it is the trade is already covered. Just watch the first video, you'll know what I mean if you haven't, and then you can see where things are going. Okay, now the next hour is there, obviously. In the next trading hour, so if I go back to the 15 minutes, so we have to make sure we're on top of our game, because if we pull back again, we want to be pushing to the upside. If the market goes sideways, I want to see if there's a breakout to the upside as well. Because the first trade is already covered, I've moved the stop a little closer. So even if we get stopped out, we're still not going to be losing any money today. But if this does go according to our targeting on gold, let's see, 65 today on the PST is 4,259, okay, which is all the way up there on the daily, 4,259. I think I'll leave it there for the meantime, because 4,200, I got 4,256, 4,259 on the daily. Okay, I don't know what I have on the weekly at the moment, because I can't on the MetaTrader 4. It's a bit of a drama for me. But that's just basically how it is. Okay, so if you watched how you can trade with time and price, you begin to see and understand how things pan out. So if I just take this and put it here, all right, that's the 4 o'clock buy. You can see why timing the market is important, and understanding at 4 o'clock that things can go pear-shaped is important, because that's exactly when you should be taking your profit, moving your stop loss up, and chilling out and waiting for the next hours. And if they do pull back, you can go back up again. All right, I hope that helps as the second part of this video. Any questions and dramas, if you have in the members area, always feel free to drop me a line. More than happy to help.